Alright guys, this is a tutorial of how you should be utilizing Schoology. So when you sign in into Schoology, you're going to be bombarded with a bunch of updates and reminders and upcoming things. So here's what I suggest to you guys. Dedicate an hour per course and then go directly to that course. So go into the course. So here's what I would like for you to do. The first thing is look at what's due today. Then look at updates. Okay, so this is the updates for today. So the one thing I would like for you guys to be aware is whatever is due here, it goes away once the due date is over. So say you missed the lesson from Tuesday, you're not going to find the assignment here. The assignment here is only for things that are due today or due up this upcoming week or next week. Okay. So what if you missed the lesson on Tuesday? Well, you need to do something else. You need to go into calendar, and here's a class summary for every single day. Okay, class summary, and in addition to the class summary, you have assignments. Okay, so if I look at a class summary, say from last week, it's gonna say on Tuesday, March 17th, we did lesson 5, which was Boyle's Law discussion board. Okay. Say I missed a lesson from yesterday. So lesson 11, in some directions. The one thing that you can see if you open up the item is you can see the slides, and in order to just keep things consistent with the way they were before, I still have the same slides as before with the objective, a warm-up, an exit question, instructions, as well as expectations, and then some more instructions and things that I find that might be useful to you. So take a look at that. Alright, so back to the calendar. Here you go. Here's the little calendar. So here you can find things that were due weeks from now, right? So you can navigate through here to see what assignment you missed or what assignment you need to catch up. Alright, so once you know the assignments, how do you get them? Right, because from the calendar you can access the assignments. So for example, you missed lesson 5. You have to go into lessons, and here's all the lessons with the dates. So say you missed lesson 5, then you need to go to lesson 5, and here's the assignment, so you can do the assignment. Here it is. And then in addition to it, it has other things that might be helpful to you. So say you cannot access the video, say you need to look at the instructions. This is something that you should have read before you do, lesson 5, and so on. Let's look at another example. Say I have not taken the quiz last Friday and I want to take the quiz. I'll go into the quiz. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 tutorials. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3 tutorials to help you with the quiz. Some expectations. So you really should be looking at under each lesson once you figure out what it is that you're missing. Okay. The one thing that's new that I'm gonna start implementing, we started yesterday, but I'm gonna implement more rigidly, is I've been getting a lot of the same questions, and I know there's a lot of questions about the content itself, how to log in into the content, some troubleshooting questions. So for each assignment, I'm gonna ask you to, instead of emailing me the question, that you ask the question in a discussion board. Okay, so say you're having trouble logging in, just send a message, hey, can anyone help me log in? Actually, let me show you an example of that. There was a question right here. There you go. Here we go. So a student asking, I'm having trouble with signing in into the registration through Schoology. What do you suggest I do instead? Okay, so this was open to everyone. Anyone could see it. I saw it, and I'll be checking this regularly. So I saw it and I suggested something and it worked. And then somebody else that probably had the same problem was able to look through here and was able to help him as well. Okay, so this is a way for us to become a community and start helping each other through those lessons. Okay, so the idea here is when you have a question, post it here instead of sending me the email. Okay, and I will be checking this regularly. So post it here, and as you're doing the lesson, say you have no questions, and as you're doing the lesson, please check here as well and see if you can help somebody else. That would be great. Okay, so this is what I would like for you guys to do. The last thing I want to say is we had our first office hours yesterday, and I had students that had a lot of questions, so we were able to capture those questions and I put them into a slide, and it's right here. So if you need to know what happened yesterday in the office hour, you can just look at there. So that's it. So just a quick recap. Please look at updates. Going through specific courses, first of all, look at updates. Then look at things that are due today. If you know you missed yesterday or you know you missed like on Tuesday, please look at the calendar at class summaries. Okay. Once you know the lesson that you missed and when it was due, go into, I don't know what I did that, go into Unit 5, lessons, go into the specific lesson and then do the assignment there. Okay. And then if you have any questions, there will be discussion boards where we can help each other to troubleshoot. And then office hours, if you know what we did yesterday, you can just check it out. Okay, that's it.